हेलो ट्रेडर्स। वेरी गुड इवनिंग। कैसा था आज आपका दिन? मिंटेड सम मनी बेस्ड ऑन द एनालिसिस। जो लेवल्स थे दे वर्कड आउट वेरी वेल। सो अगर कुछ था और वी मिस्ड आउट एनीथिंग, डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स। इफ यू मेड मनी, दैट टू आल्सो लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स। सो लेट्स डू द एनालिसिस फॉर टुमारो एंड कल के हिसाब से आज वापस चेक कर लेते हैं हाउ डिड मार्केट डू। ओके, द फर्स्ट थिंग, आई हैव ऑलरेडी चेंज द levels. Today's high and low I have already marked, but based on yesterday's analysis where market opened is here. ठीक है, so we already saw that we are facing some kind of resistance here and market is not able to go higher. And the very first minute, the 5 minutes, if I change the chart to 5 minutes, if you notice, we saw a red candle facing a resistance and market gave us a rally of almost 400 points. Okay? Almost 400 points. The high was 485 and the low was 35, 38,035. So almost 400 points rally we saw. Based another thing that you should have booked profit here, because 38,000 was a rounding number, so people would prefer it as a to act as a support. But we still, market made 35 points exactly होना नहीं चाहिए, because you always book profit before resistance, or you always, if you're short, you always book profit before support, because that's where any point of time buying can come. So somewhere 50 points or 100 points you should always prefer, give a room for profit booking. On the other hand, why you should have booked profit here is because those who are little advanced or intermediate level, they know that here I clearly, on the naked of chart, we can figure it out key there is clearly a divergence. You don't say it when you apply RSI. This is another tool, RSI. uh, I will explain it in some other video separately. Okay, but the setting I will explain now. RSI I use, like, you see 80 and 40. ठीक है, it's all the time. Why 80 and 40 is, 40 is going to be the support level and it is going to be the somewhere profit booking zone, or like selling zone can come, we can consider. Okay, full details video I will explain some other time, but since this setting will only work when we are in bull run. Okay, people use like 50-50, like below 50 people prefer not to buy, or above 50 they prefer to go for buying. Few people use 40-60, that below 40 it is bearish and above 60 it is bullish. Okay, and 40 to 60 is sideways. But in bull run, how you're supposed to do is, 40 level is somewhere you find a support, and 80 level you find somewhere selling zone. Okay, that's the level I use. One can use as per his understanding, but right now that's not the case. The reason I opened RSI is because I wanted to show you how to trade this. So if you see here, on 1 minute time frame, you have a higher low, and this is lower low. But in RSI, if you see, this is just a second, this, but like this. You see, this is called a divergence. Okay, this is for intermediate level. So on even 1 minute time frame, if you notice, there was a divergence, clear divergence, and then you could have booked your profit and then wait for another opportunity for market to give you. Okay, so this was a sell, here is the buy, your intraday trade is over. Okay, now let's move to analysis for tomorrow, what market has to offer for tomorrow. Okay, the internet is slow or the chart is not performing well. So we did nothing, but as of now I just stretched this resistance trend line and the support trend line, marked high and low for today's range, and we can clearly see here consolidation before the resistance, which is this area, because the momentum is very slow now. And if you notice another thing, market did not, though market moved 400 points downside and approx 400 plus point on the upside, but clearly कल की रेंज के अंदर ही और ऑलमोस्ट नियर टू इट. Yesterday market closed somewhere here 38,360 or 50 plus, and now today it's 440 points. So basically market अपनी कल की रेंज के अंदर ही है और उसके आसपास ही है. So it means market did not go any further high. Okay, it is struggling to go higher, but though if you consider 38,000 के level के ऊपर है and it's trying to hold that level. Okay, so we will not create any new short position until this trend line is given out. ठीक है, जब तक इसका ब्रेकडाउन नहीं आता है, you cannot take a short trade. Just wait for opportunity to give you confirmation and then you can take a trade. However, as I'm saying, we had a divergence on intraday for intraday trade, but on the upside, if you see, same thing is happening. The price is making higher high, okay, and RSI is making lower high. You see, so this is the divergence. That upside momentum is already lost. You should not look for any long side trade. So that should be all for now. If anything new opportunity comes during the market, I will post it on Telegram. You can follow me on Telegram. The link is given in the description below. So thank you for watching, if you're still watching all the way till the end. So thanks for your time and watching. We'll keep making new learning videos every day. See you tomorrow. Thank you.